Hi guys, welcome to our another video. So today I can share with the instant good as best profitable airdrop. To so you can just go to Google and search airdrop.io, and this is the airdrop of Bybit airdrop. You all of you know what is Bybit. Bybit is the second largest exchange cryptocurrency exchange platform on Bybit, and you can this airdrop you can also win iPhone 17. Okay, also win a iPhone 17 phone, win the latest iPhone through trading. You can trade and win this, and also you participate this airdrop. Okay, so what is Bybit EU? Bybit EU is the dedicated European platform of Bybit. Okay, Bybit, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges, launched it to comply with European regulations. Bybit EU provides secure and user-friendly trading services specifically designed for European users. The platform offers comprehensive trading options, including spot trading, perpetual contracts, and crypto trading features. Bybit EU maintains the same high standard of security and liquidity as the global Bybit platform, while ensuring full regulatory compliance of European markets. The exchange supports hundreds of cryptocurrencies and provides advanced trading tools suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. With its intuitive interface and competitive fee structure, Bybit EU serves as a relative gateway to Europeans entering the currency market. Airdrops.io x Bybit EU iPhone 7 contains details. You can details see that airdrop.io has partnered with Bybit EU to bring users to exclusive iPhone 7 contests running from September 5, 2025 to October 21. This collaborative campaign offers participants the chance to win the latest iPhone 17 through a raffle system based on trading activity and account verification. This content is exclusively available to users who register through airdrops.io referral link on bybit.eu. Both new and existing airdrop.io referrals can participate in this platform, though the requirements differ between user type. The winner will be selected through a raffle system and contracted within 2 weeks after the campaign ends. Prize distribution will occur within 2 weeks of the campaign conclusion. How to participate in the airdrop.io x Bybit. Step 1. Guide to new airdrop.io referrals. Step 1. Register through airdrop.io referral link. Visit the Bybit exclusive through the airdrop.io referral link and click the Register Now button on the contest landing page. Complete the registration process with your email password. Ensure you use the airdrop.io referral link to maintain eligibility. And number 2 is verify EU account. Submit required identification document proving EU residency. Complete the KYC verification process with the account approval, which typically takes 24 to 48 hours. Deposit minimum $100 or more. Navigate to your wallet section. Select your preferred deposit method: bank transfer, card, or crypto. Make a minimum deposit of $100. Remember, minimum deposit is $100 or more to earn your raffle ticket. Confirm participation. Ensure you participate all requirements during the contest period. Your raffle ticket will be automatically generated once verification and deposit are complete. Step-by-step guide for executing and tire reverse. Access your Bybit EU account. Log into your verified Bybit EU account that was registered through airdrop.io. Navigate to the account landing page. Number 2 is activate Bybit EU card benefits. Achieve requirement trading volumes, earn raffle tickets, tips for maximizing your contest in trading. For new airdrop.io referrals, you can read this all of things. Frequently asked question, you can read also this on airdrop.io website page. So how to join, you can go through this page and click airdrop link join now, and you can simply go to this Bybit U page and join your brand new iPhone 17 for your visit your luck. Okay, so don't miss this chance to join this airdrop. This is 100% of legit because it is Bybit. Okay, this is the second number one, numbers two of global exchange site, currency exchange site. So never miss this update.